How Tesla reinvented the electric motor. Electric vehicles have become the talk of the town, and Tesla is at the forefront of this revolution. But have you ever wondered what makes Tesla's electric motor so special? Tesla Motors, led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has disrupted the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles. At the heart of Tesla's success lies its groundbreaking electric motor technology. By reimagining the design and functionality of electric motors, Tesla has achieved unprecedented performance, efficiency, and sustainability. In this video, we'll explore the key features and advancements that set Tesla's electric motors apart from the competition, answering common questions and unraveling the mysteries behind their engineering brilliance. In the bustling world of automobiles, there's a revolution quietly humming its way onto the streets: Tesla's electric motors. These sleek machines aren't just about zooming silently past gas stations, they're a marvel of efficiency and innovation that promise a cleaner, greener future for us all. So let's hop aboard and take a ride through the electrifying world of Tesla's electric motors. Imagine regular cars as thirsty beasts, gulping down gas and spewing out smelly stuff as they roam the streets. It's like they're wasting energy with every turn of their wheels. But then, in swoops Tesla's electric motors, like environmental superheroes. They're incredibly efficient, using nearly all the energy from their batteries to propel the car forward. That's why they can travel long distances on just one charge, leaving gas guzzlers coughing in their wake. It's like a cleaner, greener way to travel, and it's all thanks to the magic of electric motors. So let's take a peek behind the curtain and discover how electric motors do their magic. Imagine magnets and coils having a fun dance party inside the motor. When electricity flows through the coils, it's like flicking a switch and creating a magnetic field. This field then starts playing tag with the magnets, making them move and spin. And just like that, motion is born. It's like magic, but with a sprinkle of science. But wait, there's more. Tesla's clever engineers have added some extra magic dust to make their motors even better. They've used special materials like neodymium magnets and silicon carbide to make them stronger and more durable. And they figured out how to keep things cool and control the speed, making Tesla cars not just fast, but also as reliable as your favorite bedtime story. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's buzzing in your mind about electric motors? Maybe you're curious about how they compare to traditional engines, or perhaps you're wondering how they help make Tesla cars so cool. Whatever it is, share your thoughts below and let's keep this magical conversation going. Let's take a step back and see why electric cars, like those made by Tesla, are so cool for our planet. Imagine this: when you drive an electric car, there are no yucky clouds of smelly stuff coming out of the back. That's because electric cars don't have tailpipes like regular cars do. So when you zip around in a Tesla, you're not just saving money on gas, you're also giving our planet a big high five for staying clean and green. But hey, I'm not the only one with fun facts here. I want to hear from you. What makes you curious about Tesla's electric motors? Maybe you're wondering how they compare to the engines in regular cars, or perhaps you're curious about how they help make our world a better place. Now let me share a thought of mine with you. It's pretty awesome how something as simple as driving a different kind of car can make such a big difference for our planet. It's like being a superhero, but instead of a cape, you have a steering wheel. So let's take a closer look at efficiency, shall we? Imagine you have a race car, but instead of zooming around the track, it's like sitting in the driveway, slurping up gas like a thirsty camel. That's what happens with traditional gasoline cars. They waste a lot of energy through heat and friction, leaving you stuck at the gas pump more often than you'd like. But here's where Tesla's electric motors swoop in to save the day. These aren't your average motors. They're like the Olympic sprinters of the car world, zipping along with unmatched efficiency. You see, when you plug in a Tesla, it's like giving it a supercharged battery pack. And when that electricity flows into the motor, it's like flipping a switch and sending those electrons into action. Now here's where the real magic happens. Unlike gas guzzlers that waste energy like it's going out of style, Tesla's motors are like efficiency ninjas, quietly converting almost all that energy from the battery into motion. It's like turning every drop of fuel into pure horsepower, propelling you farther down the road on a single charge. Efficiency? Check. Range? Check. It's like having your cake and eating it too. So, how exactly do these electric motors work their magic? Well, it's a bit like solving a puzzle with magnets and coils. Imagine you have a bunch of magnets on one side and a bunch of coils on the other. Now, when you send electricity through those coils, it's like flicking a switch and turning on a magnetic field. But here's where things get really interesting. That magnetic field starts playing tag with the magnets, pushing and pulling them like a cosmic game of tug of war. And guess what? That's what makes the motor spin and the wheels turn. It's like having a secret dance party inside your car with magnets and coils shimmying together to create motion. Pretty cool, huh? But Tesla's engineers didn't stop there. Oh no, they cranked up the volume on this cosmic dance party by using fancy materials like neodymium magnets and silicon carbide. These are like the VIP guests of the motor world, boosting performance and durability to levels that would make other cars green with envy. Now let's talk about why electric cars like Tesla's are the superheroes our planet needs right now. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, but instead of leaving a trail of exhaust in your wake, you're leaving behind nothing but good vibes and clean air. And that's the power of electric cars, my friends. You see, when you drive a Tesla, you're not just driving a car, you're driving a message. One that says, hey world, we can do better. By ditching the gas pump and plugging into the grid, you're helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and fight climate change. It's like giving Mother Nature a big hug and saying, thanks for letting us borrow this beautiful planet of yours. But hey, enough from me. I want to hear from you. What's on your mind when it comes to Tesla's electric motors? Are you curious about how they stack up against traditional engines? Or maybe you're wondering how they're paving the way for a cleaner, greener future? Whatever it is, drop your questions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation rolling. So the story of Tesla's electric motors is one of innovation, efficiency, and hope for a brighter future. These motors aren't just about powering cars, they're about powering dreams of a cleaner, greener planet. Through their clever design and magical workings, Tesla's electric motors are leading the charge towards a world where cars don't pollute, where energy is used wisely, and where we can all breathe a little easier. As we wrap up our journey through the world of Tesla's electric motors, I want to leave you with a thought. Just like how a tiny spark can ignite a blazing fire, each electric car on the road represents a spark of change. A spark that has the power to light up our world with possibilities. So whether you're a curious kid or a grown-up dreamer, remember this: the future is electric, and together we're driving towards a tomorrow where everyone can thrive.